We have heard the demands of some protesters for colleges to divest from Israel, but even if public colleges want to reconsider their investments, state law doesn't let them, as Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow explains.
More than 40 protesters have been arrested at The Ohio State University's campus for opposing the college's relationship with Israel.
When police are called in to deal violently with students, it is never acceptable to do that to peaceful protesters.
Pro-Palestinian advocates like Rachel Collier have been protesting for days against OSU, demanding they cut ties with Israel in a move often referred to as BDS, boycott, divestment, sanctions. And along with the troopers, State House leaders are now getting involved.
Hopefully that everyone can be safe and also be able to express their First Amendment rights, but you also have to do that within the rules. So,
House Speaker Jason Stevens says that students need to listen to not just the OSU president, but also
state law forbids state educational institutions from boycotting Israel.
Case Western Reserve University law professor Jonathan Enton explains that back in 2016, Ohio banned state agencies from boycotting Israel or from entering into contracts with companies who have anti-Israel policies. Then in 2022, the law was edited to include universities, but only public ones.
We are a private institution, and the rules don't apply the same for them as they do here. We will stay here in solidarity.
Case Western students say they're glad that they could still make a change, but are asking for legislators to repeal the law. Leadership already told us that they won't do that. There is one other way that public schools could try to cut ties with the country, but Enton says it's virtually impossible and will face legal challenges.
They have to certify that they're not engaged in a prohibited boycott.
Governor Mike DeWine's team points out that University Board of Trustees are required to act in the best financial interest of their university. So they would need to prove that ending contracts would benefit the college fiscally. But Collier says that even if OSU can't financially remove itself, the administration could be doing more.
They could be allowing students to express their First Amendment rights on campus.
She adds that she would be open to supporting litigation against the state law, saying it goes against free speech. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.